Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I will be creating a soft glam look using makeup products under rupees 500. Every product I will be using in today's video is under rupees 500 except for one, which is an eyebrow gel. So let's get started. For moisturizer, I'm using the Simple Light Hydrating Moisturizer. My T-zone is super oily these days, so this is a perfect moisturizer for me as I am trying to avoid thick moisturizer. It's very light, non-sticky and fragrance-free. Next up, I have the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This is a mattifying and pore blurring primer. I'm going to apply it in my T-zone. Initially, it looks crazy white, but you have to keep dabbing it in and the white cast will disappear and your skin will be completely mattified in the areas you apply this primer. For foundation, I have the Lakme 9 to 5 foundation in Warm Caramel. I love this foundation. It's medium coverage, very much buildable. I liked the undertone. It has an olive undertone. It's also a good match for my skin tone. The only thing I didn't like about it is the packaging. It has a spatula that I don't like at all when it comes to packaging. It gives me a demi matte finish and it also has a bit of fragrance and it comes in 16 shades. For concealer, I have the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in 06. I have almost exhausted this product. This comes in 6 shades. I hope the brand launches more shades because I love everything about this concealer. The blendability, the coverage and the finish. I apply it under my eyes. Also, a little goes a long way. If you're going for a natural look, I suggest that you go with 2 dots first and build it up according to your need because this is full coverage. For blending, I'm using a dry sponge today. This one is from Plume. It's their Celestial sponge. It's very soft, so it can totally be used dry. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick in Contour. It's actually a bronzer, so I am just going to apply it on my forehead and a little bit under my cheekbones, and I will be blending it in with a flat brush. Do not buy this if you have a deeper skin tone than me because it will not work for you. The stick is very creamy and it blends very easily. Also, it looks very light while application, but once you start blending it in, you'll see that this has got certain depth and warmth. For setting my face, I'm using the Stay Quirky Translucent Powder. It's very finely milled, it controls shine and locks your makeup for hours. I'm mainly focusing it under my eyes to set my concealer. For eyebrows, I'm using the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in 04. First, I will brush my brow hair, after which I am going to fill them in. Now, I was unable to find a good eyebrow gel under rupees 500. Eyebrow gel is very tricky to choose. You have to have the right one. Otherwise, there is no point in having an eyebrow gel. It has one job to lift your eyebrows and hold them in place, and if it can't do that, it's worthless. I use the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. If you guys have any drugstore faves, I'd love to know because I have been using the same eyebrow gel for years. After this, I applied the Swiss Beauty Concealer on my eyes to prime them. Then I am going to move on to the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I have the Miss Glam Makeup Studio eyeshadow palette in number 3. Perfect for everyday neutral looks. I am setting the base using the lightest shade from the palette. Then I'm using the brown shade as my transition, applying it into the crease and blending with Wet n Wild brush. This is their blending brush, fluffy blending brush. The eyeshadows are blendable, they have some kickback but they are pigmented. I have the shade number 3 but there are more shades available. I think you can pick any of the shades. Next, I'm applying the deep brown shade on my outer V and blending it. I'm applying the same shade on my lower lash line as well. Then I'm using this grey, almost black shade and pressing it on the outer V and inner part of the crease. Then I'm blending it with a big fluffy brush. I'm also taking the grey shade to the lower lash line. Then I am applying this brown metallic shade on the center of my lid with the help of my finger. For eyeliner, I'm using the K-Beauty liquid eyeliner in black canvas. I love this eyeliner. The tip is super refined and precise to create a wing, and it's also smudge proof and transfer proof. I am going to create a cute little wing with this eyeliner basically. For kohl, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal Super Black, just a touch of it to balance the eyeliner. Since we are not using falsies today, I will be using two mascaras. To curl my lashes, I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I suggest using a curler before applying any mascara. To provide volume, I am using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara in washable black. The wand of the first mascara is a curly wand, while that of the second mascara is a separating and volumizing one. So they work really well together. For powder contour, I'm using the Miss Claire Face palette. I will only be using the contour shade from this palette because I do not like the blush and the setting powder. For blush, I'm using the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush in Salmon Superstar. I love this color a lot. For highlighter, I'm using the Renee Cosmetics Strobe Queen Face Highlighter in gold. This is a very subtle highlighter, perfect for an everyday look. I wanted to go with a very subtle highlighter for this look, so I used this one. I'm also going to apply it on my brow bone and inner corner. This is very lightweight and it gives a very subtle glow. Now I am going to line my lips with the Sugar Arch Rival Brow Definer in Cherry Brown. This is not a lip liner, by the way, it's an eyebrow definer, but I just love this color. For lipstick, I'm using the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in 56. If you want, you can also apply some lip gloss. I use the Nika Gloss Setup lip gloss in Sweet Angel over here. And this is the completed look. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.